Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. On your phone, open Roblox. Go to the bottom right of your screen and tap on the three-dot circle. Then tap Settings. Now let's check first if we have the Enable Voice Chat feature. From here, tap Privacy. The Enable Voice Chat feature is usually on this part, but if it's not there yet, then you may need to verify your age first. So let's go back and open the account info. Please take note that the voice chat feature is only available if you are 13 years old and above. If you are, then you can tap on this Verify My Age button. You'll be going through an identity verification and you'll have to have your valid ID with you. Once you're ready, tap Start Session. You'll be routed to a browser and you'll see these instructions. You'll need to take a photo of your valid ID and take a selfie later. Now tap Begin Verifying. Choose the country you're in. Now it depends on your country which valid IDs are acceptable, but on my end, here's our list and I'll choose one. Just follow the instructions properly. I'll be blurring out the entire process to keep personal details, but so far it has been really fast and smooth. Don't worry about giving Roblox your personal info to verify your identity, as they are a trustworthy company. Now on this part, you'll have to take a selfie and just follow the instructions again. Verification is successful once you get this, and now let's go back to Roblox. Tap Close and see it says Age Verified. Let's exit from Account Info and go back to Privacy. It might take a few seconds for your Roblox account to refresh, but as soon as it's updated, you should see the Enable Voice Chat feature. Toggle that on and you'll be given these guidelines. When you're good with that, then tap Enable. And now you have successfully turned on your voice chat. Let's try it out in a game, but please do remember that not all of the games in Roblox has voice chat. Here we are in game and you can see we have our mic icon. You'll know it's working when you see the green moving. You can also check the settings by tapping on the Roblox icon at the top left. You can change the volume of the game and as well as the audio output. And that's it. That's how you get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.